Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another tutorial. So, welcome back to day 4. We're gonna do 4, but this is 8. So day 4 of 12 days of eye tutorials. So for today's look, it's gonna be like a 1, maybe 2 eyeshadow shades as a look. I kind of want to do like an editorial look. So I want to use like a burgundy all over the eye. I don't know what it is, but I love like a red or burgundy on the eye, like all over. And I want to use like a gold highlighter here to kind of make it pop, but I don't have any like gold glitter like chunks that I can use, and it's kind of dangerous. So what I'm gonna do is I have these foils, gold, like different shades of foils, and I bought this to create like nail art. I haven't used it, but I want to use like the gold shade, this one right here, and just cut it up into like little pieces and just put it in the inner corner, like outside of the eye, almost like on the bridge of the nose, not quite. So that's my vision, that's what I'm going for. So we'll see if it comes to life. But yeah, so the palette that I'm going to be using, out of all the palettes that I bought recently and that I haven't used, the only one that has like the shades that I'm want to use is this one. This is from the Oden's Eye times Angelica collection. This is her other palette. This is the Trick or Treat palette, which is this right here. Just look at the artwork, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. And I kind of want to use the red. I know it's bright, but I'm just gonna use sparingly all over the lid, and then I want to use one of these 2 burgundies on the lid. This is more like cooler tone and this is more warm tone, so I'm not sure. I have to see them or see how they look on the eye, but that's what I want to do. So if you're interested to see how the look comes out, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So before we jump into the eye tutorial, I want to let you know that I did my eyebrows and primed the lids with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to line the eyebrows. Then I used the Anastasia Brow Powder, Dual Powder, to fill them in, both in the shade Ebony. And then I used MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to carve the bottom of my eyebrow and prime the lids. So that's currently all I have going on, and now I'm just gonna jump into the eyeshadow. So to start off, I think I'm gonna go into the shade Candy Apple, which is this red shade right here. And I'm going to use a blending brush. I'm going to be using the Cinch Beauty E.L.F brush. And I'm going to use that red shade. Ooh, picked up a lot. In the crease. And then I'm just going to fluff it out in the lid. Ooh, that shade is pigmented. And I'm not too worried if it's not too precise, because I am going to put the burgundy over this. I'm kind of just using this to kind of lighten the burgundy, because these are pretty dark and I don't want to go that dark. So I just want to keep it like a light burgundy. Alrighty, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want like a wash of this red all over the lid. And I'm taking it all the way to the inner corner. It looks a little crazy and a little intense, but don't you worry. we're gonna add the burgundy shade. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna use another brush. This is more like a fluffy shader brush, and I think I'm gonna go into the shade Cemetery, which is this cooler tone right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the lid. And it's not really like applying pigmented because it is a fluffy brush, a fluffy shader brush. So I'm gonna grab a smaller brush, that way I'm not covering the camera. And I'm just stamping the shade all over the lid. I don't want to bring it up to the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade Vampire Fangs. Let's see how dark this shade is. Oh, this has a dimension. The deepness that I want. It's pretty. And I'm just gonna blend it into the crease. I'm gonna turn over my brush and just blend it. Yeah, this is perfect. Now I'm gonna use that blending brush to blend out the edges with whatever red is on there. That's okay, it can peek through. Ooh, I like this. But yeah, this is basically the look right here. But let me do the other eye. Oh yeah, so this is the look. This is the shade I was looking for. This Cemetery shade didn't really do much, so you know, you can skip it, but I still did it on the other eye because this is what I did with this one. But this one had the depth that I needed, and yes, this is perfect. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply, and I typically don't do the inner corner just because I'm gonna go in with concealer. I don't know the best way to show you this. Oh, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna do it anyways. So now I'm gonna go in with a some type of a glitter glue, and I'm gonna use this Too Faced glitter glue right here. I was able to pull it out from my collection, and I'm gonna use this in the inner corner. And I'm also gonna use, I think I'm gonna go for this gold shade right here. So I'm gonna open it up and just take with my tweezers, I'm just gonna take like pieces of it and cut them up. So I'm basically just cutting the foil into pieces, and I'm just gonna apply them to the eye. So I'm gonna put them on a piece of paper. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Too Faced glitter glue. Just put a little bit on the back of my hands. I'm going to grab a brush and then apply the glitter glue. Okay, so before I go in with the gold specks, I'm going to go in with a gold highlighter. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Glow Glide in Champagne Glow. And I'm going to use that in the inner corner. So, right here. Alrighty, and now over this, I'm going to go into the glue now. And I'm going to apply it right here. Because I'm not taking it in the eye. I just want it all in the inner corner. There we go. So now I'm going to use my tweezers. And I'm just going to take pieces of the chunks. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Now this is a little bit complicated because the foil is so thin that it's hard to cut up even with tweezers, and yeah, it's just sticking to everything where it falls on. So you guys kind of get the gist of it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna do liner, lashes, do the face, and of course I'm gonna add that same shade that I have in the eyelid in this lower lash line, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas, besties, so this is the final look, and like I mentioned, I put the same colors that I used on the lid, I put down here, and then I tried my best to cut up that little foil and, you know, do little dots of them, but some are bigger than others, and you know what? That's okay. That's okay. I still loved how this look came out. I really do. This is something I would do for New Year's. I really would. I really love this look, and that gold flex, when the light hits it, it gives that boom, it gives that shine. I don't know, I really like it. I really like it a lot, and I think it came out better than if I were to use some type of a glitter. I'm not sure. I don't have glitter. I just work with whatever I had, and again, I didn't use the foil like on the lid or close to my eyelid, so I don't think I should have to worry, but it's okay because I'm not going anywhere anyways. But I really love this. I really love this. I think I'm gonna do this for New Year's, you know, because you want to start the new year. At least I like to do my makeup, look pretty with my kids. I don't know, I really like this a lot. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of the look, and again, I used the Oden's Eye times Angelica. This is the Trick or Treat palette. I just used the red, sorry, it has a plastic, the red and this burgundy. I used this one too, but I don't feel like it gave me the depth that I needed, but you can definitely skip that if you have this palette and just go straight up with the other burgundy shade, the darker one. But I love this. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm talking too much, but I love this. You have to let me know what you think down in the description box. What do you think about this look? I really like it a lot, and I love what the gold flex brings to the look. I just love it. I love everything about this look, and it's simple and it was easy. So I don't know. I keep talking, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.